ओम एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ऐंकार ह्रींकार रहस्ययुक्त श्रींकार गुणार्थ महाविभूत्या ओंकार मर्म प्रतिपादिनीभ्यां नमो नमः। श्री गुरु पादुकाभ्याम् उग्रं वीर्यं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नृसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्युं नमाम्यहम्। ओम शरवणभवाय नमः। ओम शरवणभवाय नमः। ओम शरवणभवाय नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम सदाशिवसमारंभां शंकराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ। Welcome to today's Global Meditation 5, Session 5. Happy to meet all sadhaks at this session again during this full moon day. I hope all of you will be very busy in organizing your Satyanarayana Puja and Lita Sahasranama Archana Puja, Mahameru Sri Chakra Puja, etc. Today is full moon day. For Srividya Upasana, this full moon day is very special. This full moon day is very special. Why moon is related with this Upasana? I have told you about this secret many times, and now also I will make you remember. Chandraha is the Manaskaraka. Mind is closely related with Chandra. Vedas declare that our mind is ruled by Chandra. That is why during full moon day and Amavasya day, it gives lot of influence. The moon rays give influence over the individuals. So Manaskarakaha Chandraha. Suryaha Atmakarakaha. Manas is related only with Jiva. Surya, the Atmakaraha, is consciousness. Manas is the reflected consciousness. The pure consciousness is compared with Surya, Swayam Prakashaha, which has its own light, the source of light. But moon has no own source of light. It reflects the light from sun. Like that, our Jivatvam also doesn't have the original light. It doesn't have the original light. Light means the consciousness. But it has the power of experiencing, whether it is Mithya or Satya, experiences are true as far as Jivatvam is concerned. The experiences may vary from Sukha and Dukkha. But both are unreal. Sukha also unreal, Dukkha also unreal. Because it is only experienced in the Mithya realm. So the Jiva has to find its identification, the true identification. The present identification, what this Jiva has is a wrong identification related with the Mithya world and the Mithya Sharira. It never thinks about the Brahmatvam. So the whole mission of the Jiva is to find its own identity as Brahman. That is the true aim of a Jiva, of any Jiva. The Jiva has to lose its Jivatvam. How to lose the Jivatvam and realize that Aham Brahmasmi? So, Saguna Upasana is recommended. In Saguna, we have the Triguna, which are the reflections from Maya Shakti. Maya, one who is Icha Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Jnana Shakti, has Sattva Rajas Tamo Guna. So those gunas are bringing Sukha or Dukkha. So now we start balancing these gunas. We start the Upasana to balance these three gunas or neutralize. The word is the right word, it's or to neutralize. You cannot escape from gunas, but you can control and neutralize the effects of guna. For that purpose only, we enter into Upasana Marga. That Upasana Marga is mainly recommended as three Ratnas. There are three precious Upasanas: Shivopasana, Vishnu Upasana, Shakti Upasana. These three Upasanas are considered to be three Ratnas. Swami Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, in Swami Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, in Dakshineshwara, he worshipped Bhavadarini Devi Shakti and Shiva and Narayana. Even though he was worshipping these three murtis as the ultimate, he was so attached to Shakti Upasana because it shows the right path. These three Upasanas are called three precious Upasanas. Out of that, we are blessed in this birth to perform Shakti Upasana. In Shakti Upasana, the beginning level is Saguna Upasana. In Lalita Sahasranama, we come across Saguna Upasana and Nirguna Upasana for this purpose. Nirguna Upasana is philosophical. Saguna Upasana is practical. To cross the ocean of samsara, we need a boat. That boat is nothing but Saguna Upasana. Saguna Upasana helps us to cross the ocean of samsara. So we begin with the Namasmarana, chanting of the holy names of Devi. We praise the Nama Rupa of Devi, name and form of Devi. Devi has limitless, innumerous names and forms. We cannot count. As we say in the story of Sri Basurananda Natha, when Sri Kumkumananda asked about the meaning for the epithet Maha Chatushakti Koti Yogini Gana Sevitaye Namaha. Maha Chatushakti Koti Yogini Gana Sevitaye Namaha. When Kumkumananda asked for the meaning of this epithet, the meaning is Devi is surrounded by 576 crores of Upadevatas and everyone has name. Kunkumananda asked Basuranandanatha to narrate the names. How one can narrate the names of 576 crores of Devis? He thought it is not possible for Basuranandanatha, so we can defeat him, he thought. But Basuranandanatha prayed Devi Meenakshi. Devi Meenakshi appeared as a parrot and sat on the right shoulder of Basurananda. That parrot was telling the names of Devis in the right ear of Basuranandanatha. Immediately he started narrating the names. Kunkumananda could not write, and no one can note the names of 576 Devatas, crores Devatas. So they failed. Basuranandanatha was praised as Sarvajnaha, Sarvavid, Vedavid. As this story says, that much of deities are there. Simply explaining Sahasra Nama, 1,000 names, doesn't mean that only 1,000 names. The term, the pada Sahasra Nama, Sahasra means we can take it as infinite number of, not only 1,000. As we speak in colloquial languages, I have told you 1,000 times. Means it doesn't mean that exactly 1,000 times. I have told so many times is the meaning. Like that, Sahasranama is not only 1,000 names, but numerous, infinite number of Devis and their Namas. Nama Rupas are infinite only. Devi can appear in any name. But for our removal of ignorance, Ajnana Nivrityartham, we select the Rupa of Lalita. Lalita means playful. Lalita means childlike, innocent, and playful, and beautiful, and playful. Lalita plays. So, in the name itself, the philosophy is told. All of us will have one question. Why Amma? Why I suffer? Why I am suffering? Why it happens only for me, not for others? Why it is for me? Why? Why this birth has to come? Why this suffering has to come? Why this birth ends with death? And again I have to take a birth. Why all these are happening? So many of us will have the question. No one will have the answer. But this Lalita tradition says that it is the Leela play of Lalita. As if the Balambika has the puppets in her hand, she plays with the dolls and idols. The Jivas are like idols, dolls, toys for the play of Devi. She is having the benefit of play. She can do anything to the toy. Toy cannot oppose. She can feed the toy, or she can make the toy to suffer without food. She can treat the toy, and she will say that now this Barbie toy is having fever. She will declare. Then she will give the injection by herself. She will become a doctor, and she will play with the toy as if it is sick, and the girl child, the child is playing. So all this Srishti, Sthiti, Samhara, Tirodhana, Samhara. Srishti, Sthiti, Samhara, Tirodhana, Anugraha are nothing but the play of Sri Devi. She can do anything. We cannot question. We cannot question why Amma you are giving Corona to this world, we cannot ask. It is her decision. Why you are coming in the form of earthquake? Why you are making and destroying? It is all her play. Nothing is in our hand. What you can do is you can pray her. And this is the beginning of the Lalita tradition. The Lalita tradition begins with sublimation. What kind of sublimation it is? Om Shri Matre Namaha. Oh, my mother. We visualize ourselves as Shishu Baba, as if an infant form. With this infant form, we pray her. The infant is helpless. It cannot walk by itself. It cannot collect food for itself. It cannot survive by itself. It has to depend upon the mother. Like that, we have to create a bhava. When we chant the first mantra of Lalita Sahasranama, Om Shri Matre Namaha, this should come to your mind. Oh, my mother, I have nothing to do with this material world. I have nothing to do with. Whatever I do, all are your play and you only support for my success and failure. Some people praise, some people criticize. It's all your play. Some people brings gifts to me. Some people brings hatredness to me. All are your play. I have nothing to do. This attitude has to be developed when you chant the first mantra, Om Shri Matre Namaha. That itself is a full and complete rahasya of Kamakala Rupa. Out of Kamakala Rupa, what we think is everything is the play of Devi. Whether it is Srishti or Samhara, it is play of Devi. Once the Upasaka understands this, he becomes neutral. He brings a neutral attitude towards the challenges of life. So, Samaschittatvam, what Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, Samaschittatvam, in success and failure, how it will come? When you bring this attitude, success also Devi, failure also Devi, good also Devi, bad also Devi, nothing but Devi. So when we have this attitude, we can say that I have started my upasana. Most of the people think that upasana means requesting the deity to give some boons. It is not so. Upasana means understanding this equanimity and sarvatvam of Devi. Sarva Brahma Rupa. This is the first prakriya. What is the first prakriya? Seeing prakriya means what is the first process what we can do is seeing Devi as everything. That is why in our tradition it was possible to see even disease as Devi. Piniye pinikku marunde. Medicine also Devi, disease also Devi. So in this disease of samsara, the aushadam is jnanam, the medicine is jnanam. Who has to give jnanam to me? Only Devi has to bless jnanam through a guru. And in our tradition, as you know, Varivasya Rahasya says, Guru, Devi, Mantra, and Chakra are not different things, they are one and the same. Guru is no way different from Devi. Chakra is no way different from Mantra. Mantra is no way different from Tantra, from the Upasana. All are one and the same. Now, the Upasana goes when it becomes selfless. When it becomes selfless, as Bhakti Yoga, it has its own power. What is aimed for in Upasana? Moksha. So Upasana becomes moksha sadhana. When we will get the moksha? While living. Jivite muktihi is possible in Upasana. So Lalita Sahasranama gives us the practical method of Saguna Upasana, and it takes us to Jnanam, Nirguna Upasana. Further leads to moksha. So this is the sadhana. This is the practice. This is sadhana. And what is sadhya? Moksha. Jivite muktihi is sadhya. This is our ultimate aim. One may ask, Swamiji, I thought my disease will be cured because of this upasana. Yes, sure, why not? If a diseased person chants Lalita Sahasranama every day, morning and evening, or as far as possible, his disease will be cured. If a person in a dead bed is chanting Lalita Sahasranama, he will get longevity of life. One who is losing everything chants Lalita Sahasranama, he will be saved. For any want of our material life, worldly life, we can pray Devi. No harm in it. Nothing is wrong in it. You need not mean that as we are talking about moksha and sadhana, etc., philosophically, so you need not lose your hopes. Devi is Avyajakarana Murti. For no reason, she will bless for everything. Whatever may be the want of the upasaka, he will bless. She will bless. That is the power of sadhana. After making the sadhaka peaceful and comfortable, Devi will lead you for higher sadhana. So first, her aim is to make you sit peaceful and comfortable. If you feel I am uncomfortable, simply sit and chant Lalita Sahasranama. It has everything in it. The secret Mula Mantra is Aim Hrim Shrim. Why Aim Hrim Shrim? Aim is knowledge. Hrim is power. Shrim is wealth. Saraswati, Durga, Lakshmi. This is the Mula Mantra. Om, Aim, Hrim, Shrim, Lalitambikaye Namaha. Shortly we are going to chant for the global peace and harmony. Om, Aim, Hrim, Shrim, Lalitambikaye. In the beginning, the world was depending on only power. Shakti, Balam was praised, and everybody wanted to be powerful. Kings were powerful. To defeat the whole world, they called them great. So and so great. Because they are having power. They can defeat any country. So in the beginning of history, power was praised. Later, power was overtaken by wealth. In the middle of the history, wealth was predominant. Wealth can buy power, whether it is a great battalion or army, it can be purchased by money. So power was ruled by wealth, money. And today, on the contemporary historical time, knowledge rules. Knowledge today buys power and wealth. Knowledge can create wealth and wealth can buy power. So now, in this current era of Kali Yuga, knowledge predominates. In that knowledge, there are two knowledge. One is material knowledge and another is spiritual knowledge, what we call as Aparavidya and Paravidya. However, knowledge rules. Aparavidya is required for the successful living in this world. Paravidya is important for getting liberation from this world. So both vidyas are important. That way, this Mula Mantra begins with Aim, giving importance for knowledge. Aim is Paravidya also, as well as Aparavidya. Aim is representing both Paravidya and Aparavidya here. What is beyond this? Om. That is why it begins with Om. Om, Aim, Hrim, Shrim, Om. And in this session, we are going to meditate upon 4 more mantras. I told Lalita Sahasranama will help to cure diseases. If you see someone with health issues, you can chant or recommend Lalita Sahasranama for their betterment. Om Sarvavyadi Prashamanye Namaha. 551. Om Sarvavyadi Prashamanye Namaha. Next. Om Sarva Mrityu Nivaranye Namaha. Om Sarva Mrityu Nivaranye Namaha. The secret of Lalita Sahasranama. These two mantras are equivalent to a life-saving Sanjeevini. These two mantras can wake up a person from the dead bed. So, we take these two mantras as the prime mantras for today's global meditation with good prayers. Those who are all suffering all around the world, we dedicate this chanting, this meditation in our Ajna Chakra, concentrating in Ajna Chakra with all powers collectively, with all thoughts collectively, focused in one point. Let us all chant this 551st mantra of Lalita Sahasranama. Om Sarvavyadi Prashamanye Namaha. Om
Sarvavyadi Prashamanye Namaha.
All together. Om
Sarvavyadi
Prashamanye Namaha.
Om Sarvyadi Namaha. Om Sarvyadi Namaha. Om Sarvyadi Namaha. Om Sarvyadi Namaha. Sarvyadi Namaha. Om Sarvyadi Namaha. Om Sarvyadi Namaha. Om सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः।
सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै
नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै 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 नमः। सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि नमः। ॐ व्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ व्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः।
सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः।
सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः।
सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै
सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः।
ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः।
ॐ
ॐ
सर्वव्याधि
सर्वव्याधि
प्रशमन्यै
प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि 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 नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि नमः। सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि नमः। सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्यै नमः। ॐ
सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्ये
नमः
सर्वव्याधि
ॐ
प्रशमन्ये
नमः
ॐ सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्ये
नमः
सर्वव्याधि
नमः
ॐ सर्वव्याधि
सर्वव्याधिप्रशमन्ये नमः
ॐ सर्वव्याधि
सर्वव्याधिप्रशमन्ये नमः
सर्वव्याधि
सर्वव्याधिप्रशमन्ये नमः ॐ सर्वव्याधिप्रशमन्ये नमः सर्वव्याधिप्रशमन्ये नमः
सर्वव्याधि व्याधि प्रशमन्ये
नमः
ॐ सर्वव्याधि सर्वव्याधि प्रशमन्ये
सर्वमृत्युनिवारणे नमः।
ॐ सर्वमृत्युनिवारणे
सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्ये नमः
ॐ सर्वमृत्युनिवारणे ॐ सर्वमृत्युनिवारणे सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः।
Om
सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै
निवारण्यै नमः।
सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः।
निवारण्यै नमः।
सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः।
निवारण्यै नमः।
सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः।
नमः।
सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै
नमः।
नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै
नमः।
नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः। सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः।
Shanti,
शांति।
Let us all submit this collective power of mantra chanting into the consciousness field. The whole world lies the Mother Earth in your Agnya Chakra, and pray for the whole universal well-being. Let us all pray for the universal global well-being and eradication of the deadly diseases, viruses, inclusive of pandemic virus, corona. Let this world be healed. Grace of Mother. Oh, the Divine Mother Lalitambika, you are the disease, you are the treatment, you are the doctor, you are everything. You're one and all. Let all these people get cured with your grace. With all your grace, let this world become healthy and prosperous. You are praised as Avyaja Karunamurti. You bless everyone for no reason. What I have done for you. You are showering your grace with health, wealth, and prosperity on me. Even I say thanks 1,000 times, it may not be enough. If I say thanks million times also, it may not be enough and it cannot stand in front of your grace. It's possible only because of your grace. Everything is possible. At this juncture, we all surrender at your lotus feet. Lokamata, Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayagi, Lalita Parameshwari, heal the deceased. Give long life for one and all who are all praying for your grace. With all health, wealth and prosperity, let us all get the peace of mind. Let us all live in harmony. Let this harmony and peace blossom from my mind. Let me spread to my family members this peace and harmony. Let me spread this peace and harmony to my relatives. Let this peace and harmony encompass my city, state, country, and the whole world. Feel the peace in mind. When you submit yourself, when you bring aham na karta bhava, I am not the doer, Devi is the doer. I am a puppet in the hands of Devi. This sublimation leads to Amritatvam, eternity. This submission, surrender, give me peace. In peace, I feel healthy and prosperous. Devi takes care of everything. Whether it is the praise from a friend or a criticism from an enemy, I see both as one Devi, Lalita Parameshwari. Everything is your play. Only with your karuna, I can laugh, I can smile, I can live in this world. You are Prithvi, the Mother Earth. Devi, you are the water. You are the Agni, fire. You are the air. You are Akasha. You are Akasha. Infinite Akasha which accommodates everything. You accommodate everything. You are everything. Purna. Purna, which is represented by this day of full moon Purnima. You are full and complete. Nothing can be out from you. You are including everything. Nothing can be excluded because you are Purnaha. Purna. I meditate upon this Purnatva, full and completeness, which is Ananda, Satchit Ananda. When I understand this Purnatvam is bliss, I am also full and complete. I am full and complete. Aham triptaha asmi. No external materials can make me satisfied because I am already satisfied. In this way, I submit this Om Sarvavyadi Prashamanyi Namaha, Om Sarvamrityu Nivaranyi Namaha prayers to the whole world for health, wealth, and prosperity. You can visualize your friends or relatives who are suffering for want of health and send this energy to them without any prejudice, because this brings lot of punya and energy. In this way, let this global meditation be completed and concluded. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha. When we do this prayer, we are also healed. So let this energy stay with you. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद स्वामीजी.
Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद स्वामीजी.
Nandri Guruji.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.